Packaging display. Nine-volt battery installation. Network cable core breakpoint detection. Lights up in sequence and the number for light skips and does not light up, indicating that the number for core wire is disconnected. Check whether the current network is connected. Lights up in turn, indicating that the network cable is in good condition. Detachable remote line hunt. Solve the trouble of line search. Lights up in turn, indicating that the network cable is in good condition. Check if the phone line is connected.